Answering the call of nature, even when you're out in the wild, has never been easier or more convenient. Introducing Pee Pocket, the revolutionary new urinary device exclusively developed by a team of doctors for use by women all over the world. The Pee Pocket is a single-use waterproof funnel that allows women everywhere the remarkable advantage to relieve themselves while standing. Each unit comes in a discreet package that conveniently tucks away into an easy-to-reach accessory. And every packet includes a hygiene tissue wipe and a small disposable bag. Pee Pocket's durable, high-functional trifold design creates a remarkable fit every time, which eliminates wet hands or bottom. And when you're through, toss the Pee Pocket away or return the Pee Pocket and wipe to the disposable bag and discard. Pee Pocket was clinically designed for use by athletes, travelers, the elderly, the disabled, pregnant women, post-surgery patients, and more. Pee Pocket provides the relief of knowing you can have the relief of going anytime, anywhere. But don't take our word for it. Try Pee Pocket for yourself and find out just how handy it is to stand when sitting is not an option. Here's how to order.